Okay mga ka-explorer, explore natin ang isang beach dito sa Leyte. Ayan. Mga ka-explorer. Ito. Mga ka-explorer. Ayan. Ito tayo dito sa may bato. Mga ka-explorer. Ganda ng bato. Magandang view dito. Ka-explorer. Ayan mga ka-explorer. Ayan mga ka-explorer. Dito po sa Leyte. Mga ka-explorer. Dito sa bayan ng San Miguel. Mga ka-explorer. Ito yung shoreline project. Kita budget of 48 million. So, sinimulan nyo. Ayun yung pinarigusan. Doon yung tulaan dinidevelop na rin. Sa isang bises pupunta si ka-explorer nyo doon. Yan, explorer. Ayun yung Biliran Island mga ka-explorer. Kasi itong shoreline ng San Miguel nakaharap to sa isla ng Biliran mga ka-explorer. Yan, doon. Ayun yung Leyte mga ka-explorer. Tapos yung Cargara, doon yun mga ka-explorer sa bundok na yun. Yung Kapuukan, Leyte, saka Cargara mga ka-explorer. Ito naman, itong bundok na to, bundok ito ng San Miguel mga ka-explorer. Itong nasa likod ko. Ito, mga ka-explorer. Ayun. Yun yung Biliran mga ka-explorer. Ayun. Cedric, is this your island? Is this your island? What do you call this island, Cedric?
Cedric and Sir Arnold's island.
Wow, great name. Great name, Cedric. Cedric and Sir Ariel's Island. Mga ka-explorer. Okay, I would like to interview you. What do you call this island? That one. What do you call that island? That is Biliran Island. No, Biliran province. They said it is a volcano. That one. It's a volcano. Oh, it's raining there. Mga ka-explorer. Okay. Wow, that's a huge tree. How old is that tree?
1 million years.
Wow. Okay. Ayan mga ka-explorer ko. Si Cedric, English speaking. Okay. Ipakita yung mukha para mag-virus. Mag-viral. Okay, you want to talk?
I just wanted to watch the movie.
Talk and talk as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay, there are boots.
Okay.
There are boots there.
Time. I want to be viral.
There are boots. Mga ka-explorer, there are boots over there. There are boots.
That's not a boat. That's just a canoe.
That's a great mountain. That one, that's a great. What do you call that mountain? That one there. So the bus there will pass through that one. That is the shortcut already going to Babatngon, Leyte. Mga ka-explorer. Ayan.